So when you are using the standard programs, like we are using user exits in the sales and distribution module, there we are dealing with modifying the standard programs. That's why first time it's asked for a access key. Okay, so user exits mostly we used in sales and distribution module. So customer exits. So customer exits are function module based enhancements. We use CMod and SMod. So let's try to find how to find a customer exit for a specific transaction code. We'll see now. Okay. For example, what is VA01?
Sales order.
Sales order creation, right? We'll try to
Yes,
find
sir. Yes, sir.
what are all available customer exits for VA01 transaction code to add the enhancements, custom enhancements, VA01. So what this customer exit will do, it will add our custom functionality to this standard transaction code. Okay, we just try to create some sales order data. If we have proper data, we can create. So here if you observe a few terminologies here. What is sold to party? What is shipped to party?
Customer, sir.
Yeah, both are customer only. Okay, depends on the requirement.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes the customer acts as a sold to party, and sometimes the customer acts as a ship to party. Okay, as per my knowledge, sold to party is like the person who is buying this particular material, right? So it's like
Yes, sir.
billing address and shipping address, right?
Yes, sir.
One customer might buy the product and ship it to the and deliver it to the another customer, right? At that case, the person, the customer who's receiving that goods or that material is ship to party. Okay, this sold to party is buyer, ship to party is the receiver of the product. Okay, sometimes both might be same, both sold to party and ship to party might be same, and sometimes that might be different, the customer numbers might be different. Okay, for now I'll use same for both. Sales area could not be determined. Okay, anyway, just observe the screen. So by using customer exits, we can enhance this processing, including adding some messages, error messages, validations. Okay, so in customer exits, we have, what are the different types? We have menu exits to add additional menu options. Okay, so we have menu exits to add additional menu options. Okay, so we have screen exits. What is the use of screen exit? Enhancing the standard screen like this. You can add one more tab here with a screen. Okay, clear? That is screen exit. Okay, so we have function exit. Function exit, what we do, we just write source code enhancement, custom code. If it is a menu exit, we use custom screens to enhance it. Okay, clear? So there are many options we have to fill to create the sales order. There are payment terms and many things. Okay, then material, select some material. For the sales order, what is the material we are selling? select some material, order quantity, sale unit, that is each. For this material, unit of measurement is each. Item description, just try to click on save. Marked for deletion. Okay, this material is not available. Okay, so like this you create items. If you have only one material for the sales order, we create only one item. If you have multiple materials, we create 20 and the different material and the order quantity, okay, and everything. Clear? This is how we create sales order. Save it. So there is some incomplete details, but the order 61 got saved. Okay, where can you check already created orders? Where can you check or where can you display created order? VA03, right? By default 61 is populated here. Click on enter. So this is the order which we created in VA03. Okay, so let's say we need to enhance something here. We need to enhance something here. How to enhance? Go to, we need to add some custom message here in VA02. How to add it? How to find customer exits or baddies available for this standard enhancement, standard transaction code? Go to program. In status you can find the program. Okay, so this is the program for sales order. Program, screen program. Double click on it. So there are multiple ways of finding customer exits available for any specific transaction code. First one is you can use smod like this. Find the package of this program. Where you can find the package name of the any program? Where can you find the package name of the program?
SU at 0.
Go to program attributes. Go to program attributes or just open this program in SC38 display. So this is source code. Go to attributes, display. Here you can find the package name. Okay, in program attributes you can find the package name. From here also you can navigate attributes. VA is the package name, right? Go to SMOD, click on F4, go to information system and provide the package name and click on continue. So these are all the customer exits available for sales order creation. Okay, if you observe here, each customer exit is for a different purpose. This one determine alternative material for product selections. Copy packing proposal, update the purchase order from sales order, data transfer in procurement elements. There each customer exit is serving a purpose, right? Is serving specific functionality. But do we have any code written inside these customer exits initially? No, these are all empty. We have to implement whenever required. Okay, clear? Is everyone clear? For example, check one customer exit, copy packing proposal, display. What you can find here? If you go to components, what you can find here?
Function.
Function modules. If it is a function exit, so this is a function module exit. This is a function module exit where we can just enhance the source code, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to add the menu options, there should be menu exits here. Okay, this is for menu exits. These function code options, right? If you can see any program name and function code here, so that is for menu exits. Pro areas. What do you mean by Pro areas? What is Pro means screen, right? This is
Yes.
screen exit to add additional screens to the standard transaction code. Okay, so function exits, function exits, menu exits, and screen exits. So this is a function exit where we can find function module. This is one way of finding the customer exit, right? Double click on it. Here you can find a include program. First, how can you know that this customer exit is suitable for your requirement or not? Double click on it. Check the importing parameters. What is the importing parameter here for this function module? I_VBAK. What is VBAK? What is VBAK?
Sales order header data, sir.
Sales order header data table is the input for this function module. And what are the exporting parameters? There are some exporting parameters, e_copy, e_activate, type something, okay? And we have tables parameter, that is VBAP, VBFA, okay? So observe this importing and exporting parameters and analyze whether it is suitable for your requirement or not. If it is suitable for your requirement, double click on the include and write your program. Before that, for this exit, we'll be having some documentation here. Select the documentation and click on display. So for this, no documentation is available. But for few customer exits, there is a detailed documentation. What is the purpose of this exit and everything. Okay. To implement this exit, what we need to do? Display, go to components, click on the function module, double click on the include. So first time, when the include is not created, first time it will show this warning. Just click on enter and create. Yes, create. Usually where we need to save. So till now we are just saving objects in local object, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll try to use some existing packages. We'll use GMM. This package is already created. Click on save. Now it will ask for a transport request, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever I assign a proper package, create a transport request like this. So is it enhancement or defect? It's an enhancement. That's why I'm using E. Like this. Okay. Every project will have their own format of this transport description. Click on save. I created a transport request. Now I can say empty include program, right? Here you need to write whatever the functionality you need. Okay. So what are the importing parameters of this function module? I_VBAK, right? I'll just, by using this I underscore VBAK, I'll just display some message. Okay, this is not a proper functionality, but just hyphen customer, right? Do we have Kunar in I underscore VBAK? I will just display one more message. So by using this importing parameter, you can write your own select statements here, right? You can write select statements also. Whatever the code you can implement in include programs, you can add here. I'm using information message type I, but depends on the requirement. You can implement error messages, warning messages, whatever. Okay, I activated the include and go back. Now our custom code is added to the customer exit. Is that enough? Is that enough to enhance the standard transaction code using customer exits, or is there any other pending process? We have to assign it to a project. We have to assign this enhancement to a project, then only our customer exit is active. Our custom functionality will work. What is the transaction code to create the project? CMOD, right? So mostly your projects, the project will be already available. Just select one existing project or create your own project. You can also create your own project. GSD. I'll add all sales and distribution related customer exits to this package. Create. That's it. Save it. For package also, it will expect package means this package and that one is different. That is a project, this is a package. Okay, here we enter the package, and again for which transport request I have to assign this package name. Do we need to create a new transport request, or do we need to assign the this project to the existing transport request? Tell me, do I need to create a new transport request here? What I am doing here, I am creating a project in C mode. Do I need to create a new transport request, or need to add this project to the existing transport request? So I'm adding to the same transport request because it is part of the same requirement. So we added it. Now go to the project, display, go to enhancement assignments, change, assign your customer exit name here. Enter. Now go to components. Now go to components. Is it active or inactive? Inactive. Just select that and activate. Just select the function module exit and activate it. Now it is active, right? Now whatever the code you implemented in the include program should be active and execute along with the standard logic, right? Here whatever the code you implemented here should be active now. Let's just try VA01 just to check how it is working. VA01. We'll just try to create one more sales order, and somewhere it should display our messages, whatever the messages we implemented in the customer exit. Order type is this one. Click on continue, select the customer. I'm using same customer reference, date, click on continue. Payment terms, these are all related to payment related details. I'm not having much knowledge on it. Go to item overview, go to item details and maintain the sales order item. Ten. So some material, quantity is 10, unit of measurement is each, some description, click on save. Looks like that customer exit is not triggering for the sales order type what we are creating. That's why that message is not displayed. Okay, that should be displayed somewhere. We have to select a different sales order type or something. Okay, otherwise that customer exit should have displayed here somewhere. So here, right, we have another option to find the available customer exits of the standard program. How can we find? Go to this find option, call customer. If you observe here, so these are all the customer exits. These are all the customer exits implemented inside the standard program. Okay, these are all the customer exits implemented inside the standard program. Even we can find our this customer exit. What is 005, right? That is ending with 005. We should find that customer exit here. We find here they are just like function modules, right? They are just like function modules, right? So inside this main program there are many include programs, right? Our previous navigation, our previous example looks like it is not triggering that specific program. Okay, 005. So this is the one. This is the one, right? We implemented. Double click on it. So inside the program, this customer exit is being called as a function module, a empty function module. So this function module doesn't contain any logic. In between the standard program code, these are all standard program code, right? So in between, a empty function module is being implemented by SAP. What is the purpose of this customer exit function module? To add custom functionality. Okay, double click on it. So this is the exit, right? We implemented, but it seems our current example is not triggering this navigation screen. Copy this and we'll try to implement one more customer exit. We'll try this. So for this, double click on it, save. So what is this? Call customer function 930. Function module does not exist. We'll try another one. So these numbers are not accessible. We'll try this. So if you observe, the customer exit starting with 900, they are not working. I assume that they are only internal for SAP. But these numbers we are able to access and we can implement. Okay? Change, add your code, activate it. What is the next step? What is the next step? You have to add. You have to add this exit to which one?
Project.
Project. Go to C mode. Change it. Go to components. Sorry, not components. Enhancement assignments. And add it to the, I think this is the program name, not exit name. We have to find exit for that function module. That should be somewhere here in copy packing proposal. So okay, we implemented number 3, right? Three are 2, right? We implemented 2. What is 2? Pre-assignment of sold to party in sales document. Pre-assignment of sold to party in sales document. That is the one we implemented, right? So what is this exit name? Go to SMOD. Click on F4. Information system. Enter the package name VA and search. Pre-assignment of sold to party, right? This one, I think. Go to components. This is the one, right? 02. Pre-assignment of sold to party in sales document. Double click on it. So this is the one, right? We can also implement like that and just add this function module exit to C mode and then go to components. So our previous function module exit is active. Is this active? The one which we recently implemented, that is not active, that is inactive. Activate it. Now it is active. So now whatever the custom functionality you implemented is active. And activate the project after completing your steps. It is activated. For example, if you don't want to execute any custom functionalities along with the standard transaction code, what you need to do, just to deactivate the project. That's it. Now go to components. All your customer exits are inactive, right?
Yes, sir.
So your custom functionality is not going to executed along with your standard functionality. Now all are active. Now just try VA01. So this is how you can find customer exits. Okay, in S mode and in the program. And in the program, if you find using this option, if you find using call customer function, call customer hyphen function, and it will display all the available customer exits. Okay, each one is for a different purpose. Clear? Go by the importing parameters and exporting parameters and write your logic, whatever required. Is everyone clear? Now let's try to create
Yes, sir.
one sales order. Whenever you applied some changes, right, always open new session using \n va01. Don't immediately try to create the same. Okay, because whatever the code you newly implemented, right, it won't be available here. Okay, click on continue. It is to pre-populate the sold to party, but I am not sure how it is going to work. We'll just try. So a functional consultant would have better knowledge on it. Even ABAP developers also should have some knowledge. Then it will make their life easy. So looks like our customer exits are not triggering for these scenarios. We'll try to find a better scenario. So for which our customer exit will trigger. Okay, this is about just data, how we enter the data here. Okay, so but is this concept clear? How to implement a customer exit?
Yes, sir.
Now whatever the functionality is added should be triggered along with the standard code, right? So any questions? You guys have any questions?
No, sir.
So if you observe this particular exit, this is related to ME. ME means material management, MM01. If you observe here, what you can find here, along with function module exits, what you can find here, screen exits also. So by using this customer exit MM06E005, we can enhance the screens also. Okay, we can enhance standard screens also. Clear? Means adding new fields, or new screens in the standard transaction code. So this is just normal function exit. So like that you can find it. Okay, clear?